Hello my beautiful people, how you guys doing today? Guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to wash your beans in 5 minutes like a pro and preserve your beans as much as you want, like how many months that you want. So please stay tuned and watch this video, how to wash your beans like a pro. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, my lovely subscribers, my new, my old subscribers. God bless you. Let's get started. So guys, all you have to do is just to put water in your beans. If you have the time, you can pick it. If you don't have the time, just put water. All the dirty will come up, as you can see on this video. It, you leave it for like at least just 5 minutes. Don't soak it more than 5 minutes, please. If not, it will be very difficult for you to wash. So 5 minutes is okay. Maximum 5 minutes, guys, is okay. This is how to wash your beans like a pro. So guys, after the 5 minutes, all you have to do is just wash, put it in your both hands, scrub together. You will see it yourself. It work. Don't allow your beans to soak too much, okay? When you soak too much, it will be very difficult for you. So just stay tuned and watch this video. With just 1 scrub, 2 scrub, 3 scrub, you are good to go with your beans. This is it. It's very simple. For those of you finding it difficult to wash your beans, come and watch this video. It will be helpful for you. So guys, your beans is ready. At this point, if you want to preserve it, for those of you that want to preserve, you can put it in the sun. If you want it dry, put it in the sun for at least 3 to 4 days. Then you keep it in your kitchen, or you put it in the fridge. If you have light, just store in the fridge for as long as you want. So your moimoi and akara, for those of you that does not know, moimoi and akara is beans cake. It will be very easy and simple for you to do. Thank you all.